so today I'm going to be cleaning out all of my clothes, and I'm here with my niece Dolly. Say hello. She's so cute. But yes, we're going to be clearing out all of my clothes that are behind me. She's biting my thumb. Stop. What are you doing? All of my clothes. These are all of my clothes, like pajamas, underwear, everything, because this weekend I moved out of my room at school because all my classes are online this fall, so I'll be at home, and I have been itching to do one of these Marie Kondo, just like get rid of everything that I own. So that's what I'm doing today, and I have it all in a pile because I wanted to overwhelm myself and see how much I have and be like, this is way too much stuff. So that's what I'll be doing, and I think I'll be switching back and forth between my camera and my phone, like time-lapsing and stuff. Right here is like all of my golf wing shirts and just like concert merch shirts and stuff, and I'll do like collection of my golf wing stuff if y'all want to see that. I know I said that like last year or a long time ago, but now I actually can film it because I have time to. So I've been procrastinating doing this all day, so it's now 2:42 and I'm just now starting. And I have a Depop. It's at Stroh's Tacos if you want to follow me. I'll probably be selling a lot on there, or I might just donate stuff to like our local women's shelter. It just depends. But here we are, and we will get started. Okay, so I'm gonna listen to a podcast and get started on this, and when my camera dies, I'll switch over to my phone and just keep switching back and forth. Let's get started. I have this tub here for keep stuff, and I'm just gonna put the donut stuff like over there. So far, this is my keep pile, or I should say keep piles, and I have some stuff in my closet already, and then that stuff I still need to go through. I know I'm probably going to keep all of my golf wing stuff. This is my get rid of pile, the maybe pile. I haven't made like any progress at all, but Okay, so I wanted to show you all this that I got finished really fast because I still have all of this to tackle. This is all the stuff that I'm keeping, but I think I'm going to go through it again and get rid of more stuff because this is still a ton of stuff. Okay, but here is my like most prized possession. All of my golf shirts, all of my illegal civ shirts, all of my concert shirts, plus some FA and a Supreme shirt. Down here is more of my Supreme shirts and all of my like Golf Wang, Revenge, and FA hoodies. This is a huge pile of stuff, but I think I'm gonna try to go through it again and get rid of more. But now I'm just gonna like organize it into different piles, like skirts, dresses, shirts, pants, all that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and it is now 9:18 p.m. The sun has gone down and everything. I do like the little B-roll or cinematography. Let's do some little up close ones. Yes, okay. Okay, so it's now day 2. I'm talking quiet because my sister is on a call because she's working from home. But I'm gonna get rid of some of the stuff in my closet so I can put the stuff from upstairs in here. So I can like put my folded clothes on here so I don't have to keep living out of my suitcases in my room. I'm gonna do that now. I'm listening to another podcast. I love Lindsay Hughes's podcast. I'm listening to one about ghosting right now. Okay y'all, this is how my closet is looking so far, and it is looking so good. Look at all of this. It looks so good. I did not know all of my shirts were gonna fit, but they did. here's how far I've gotten today. I might end the video here because it looks really good. That's like swimsuits and stuff. Tops. These are all my VCU shirts. Shorts, see-through tops, and like bralettes to go into them. More tops, loungewear. I have all my bottoms right here. All of my sweaters and jackets right there. And then all of my tops, so it's like short sleeve, then long sleeve, then sets and dresses. And then I have some other like socks and tights over here. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Have a great day or night, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!